Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to change file type Windows 11 quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your Windows 11 PC. Click the folder icon on the taskbar or press Windows +E. This is where you manage all your files. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner. This opens more settings for File Explorer. These options help control how files are shown. Step 3. Click Options from the menu. The Folder Options window will appear. This is where file extension settings are located. Step 4. Click the View tab at the top. It contains Advanced File Display settings. Here you can control extension visibility. Step 5. Uncheck Hide extensions for known file types. This makes extensions like .txt or .jpg visible. You must do this before changing a file type. Step 6. Click Apply, then click OK. This saves the changes. Now all file extensions will be visible. Step 7. Right-click the file you want to change. A menu will appear with different actions. Make sure you choose the correct file. Step 8. Click Rename. The file name will become editable. You can now modify the extension. Step 9. Change the file extension and press Enter. For example, change .txt to .jpg. Remember, this does not convert the file format. Step 10. Click Yes to confirm the warning message. This completes the process. Your file type is now changed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.